Hey, sixth grade, here's round two videos. So you should be on the problem side. If I look at the to-do list that I have assigned for you, today is Tuesday, March 24th, so you have to watch the video on page 116 in your math book. So that's what we're going to do now. Let me go back. Here we go. And let me just make note of that. So this is page S116. In your math book, we're going to do problem set number 1, A and B only, which includes the table. So it says compact discs, which are CDs, cost $12 each at the Music Emporium. The company charges $4.50 for shipping and handling. Again, that's a one-time fee, regardless of how many compact CDs you purchase. So you can purchase 10, 5, 1, no matter what, that shipping fee is still going to be a flat rate, is what we call it in the real world, of $4.50, but you also have to pay $12 for each of the CDs. So just like the problem we did earlier yesterday, each is going to mean to multiply, right? That's one of the keywords that either means division or means multiplication, but in this case, it definitely means multiplication. So if we buy one CD, what do we have to do? Well, we have to multiply by $12, and 1 times 12 is, yes, you guessed it, 12. And then what do we have to go ahead and also include into our total cost? Well, the shipping, right? So is that addition, multiplication, division? What is that? Well, you're going to add it on to your total, right? It gets included and it's one time, so I have to add it. And we're going to add $4.50. Be very, very careful when you are adding these two numbers, because I know that you are going to want to not line them up, because you're going to say the 12 doesn't have a decimal point, but I'm going to make sure that you don't make that mistake. And when we're dealing with money, I want you to go ahead and add the two decimal place values that come after the decimal point, because we're talking about $12 and no cents. And we're going to go ahead and line up the delivery fee of $4.50. The decimal points are beautifully lined up. And now we can go ahead and add those two numbers together, right? So that there's no mistakes that happen. Decimals are nice and lined up. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. The decimal point comes straight down. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then carry down the 1. We don't have to add it to anything. That means our total for one CD is $16.50. Okay, so we're going to do the same step for 2 and 3 CDs. We have to multiply by 12. So 2 times 12 is 24. And again, we can't forget we're paying shipping and handling, so we have to add $4.50 to our bill. And now that you know you have to kind of line up your decimal points, I'm going to go ahead and do it kind of in my head. So if I add $24 and 4 whole dollars, that means I have $28. And I have to make sure that I don't forget about the 50 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and add the 50 cents. Okay. So the next one I'm just going to do a little bit faster, right? I'm going to multiply by 12. And 3 times 12 is 36. So now I have 36. I have to add the delivery fee, which stays the same no matter what. We can buy more CDs and it's still going to be $4.50. And I'm going to do that one in my head just like I did the last one. So 36 plus the $4 whole equals $40. And I can't forget about my 50 cents. So if I added it going the long way, you would still get $40 and 50 cents. Okay, we just have to do part B and then we are done, and then you'll be off to, yes, partner practice. And you're like, where's my partner? Right? But anyways, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. We're all partners. We're in this together. Okay, so if you know how many CDs Mikey orders, can you determine how much money he spends? Write the corresponding expression. Yes, we can find this out. We know how to find the total cost. So, the number of CDs Mikey buys, they want us to use D for our variable. Okay, no problem. So it's really helpful to look at those labels when you're writing your expression. D. What are we doing to the number of CDs? Right here, hello. Okay, we are multiplying by 12. That is step 1. That is the first part to our expression. And since we are doing that first, yes, include parentheses around that D times 12. This is a D. Okay, kind of looks like a 0 right now. But it is a D. Okay. And then what was the next step we did? Yes, we added the shipping and handling fee, which was $4.50. Don't forget your decimal point. And that's it. That's our expression. That's how we get the total cost for Mikey's CD cost. All right, that's it, guys. Woo, done. Okay, partner practice. Let me go back and show you. So if I look at my to-do list, today is Tuesday. We just did A and B, and I copied it in my book. You did too, I hope. And now your problem set is 2A and 2B on the same page. So it looks like this. Okay, here I'm on the problem set, same page, and you are responsible for 2A and B. So it's the same type of problem, except now Mr. G's in here buying paper books. The cost is here, and the shipping charge is now $4. So you're basically going to do, boom, same steps. Make sure you line up your decimal points, you don't make silly mistakes, and you're going to make sure that you fill this in, okay, guys? Awesome job. See you guys soon. Keep up the good work. And cut. Subscribe. Don't forget.